How to send money from Wise to Gcash. The first things first is, of course, update to the latest version with your Wise application. And you also have to make sure that the Gcash account where you will be transferring or sending the money to has to be fully verified so that they will receive the fund without any delays or any problems. So first is open up your Wise application and make sure that you log in into your Wise account. Now to send the fund, just simply hit on send, and then in here just choose on add recipient, select the currency you want, and then choose on the second option that says e-wallet. Now choose whether this is for someone else or for business or charity, doesn't matter actually. And then in here you'll just have to input necessary details such as the full name of the account holder, and then under wallet provider change it into Gcash, and then just simply enter the recipient's e-wallet number or the recipient's Gcash account number. Once you hit on continue, you're good to go. And that is how you send money from Wise to Gcash.